After landing in Da Nang in the late afternoon, we first went to grab some lunch and later explored the city before our full-fledged trip began. We booked a cab for the day to visit all the beautiful places in Da Nang.
Yesterday we came to Da Nang and today our actual sightseeing of Da Nang and close by town have started. And the first stop which we are doing for today is Monkey Mountain, also known as Sontra Peninsula.
Starting with Sontra Peninsula, also known as Monkey Mountain, because there were supposed to be more monkeys in this area. To my surprise, I didn't see any. Our first stop was Ling Ang Pagoda. If you are wearing clothes above knee length, you will have to wear a wraparound before entering the pagoda. Next to the pagoda is Sontra Kwan Am, a 69.7 meter tall statue of Sontra goddess of mercy. The view from Sontra Peninsula is stunning, overlooking the Da Nang city and the sea. Besides pagoda and the statue, you can explore the beach or opt for snorkeling or diving tours available on the peninsula.
Second stop in our tour is Marble Mountain, which is also known as Five Element Mountain. So we took the elevator and now we are on the top of the mountain and there are many things to do. So the first we are going for Wan Thong Cave.
Marble Mountain is a cluster of 5 marble and limestone hills situated in the south of Da Nang. It is named after 5 elements, which are metal, water, wood, fire and earth. You can reach the top of the mountain by climbing the steps or buying a ticket for elevator. At the top you will find caves, tunnels, towers and pagodas. There are more than 6 caves spread across the mountain. Some are very easy to visit, whereas some are quite challenging.
So we came out of the cave and now there is a narrow passage which goes all the way down to the main part of the mountain. We didn't expect it कि ये इतना challenging road होगा, but if you are into adventure and if you can climb different kind of stairs या spaces, then this is definitely one of the place you should come. ये सारे steps marble के हैं, इसलिए right kind of footwear is very important. Even मेरे shoes में ये easily slip हो जाता है, इसलिए आप चप्पल पहन के यहाँ पे मत आना. If you come to Marble Mountain, please wear a good footwear because there is so much to explore here and you want to do all of these things. Now we have come to another cave. It is very beautiful. बाहर जितनी भी गर्मी है, cave के अंदर उतनी ही ठंड लगती है. So we have the pagoda here, this side, and this way is another cave. So let's go and check it out.
Exploring the cave was an incredible experience, and as we were short on time, we had to move to our next destination. We then made our way to Coconut Village near Hoi An to ride a coconut boat and explore the coconut forest. After negotiating the price, we hopped onto a round basket boat to glide through the lush greenery of Coconut Village, passing through canals and exploring mangroves. While I initially expected serene and peaceful ride, and though it started that way, the experience soon turned into lively with music blasting from speakers, swing rides in basket boat and dance performances to entertain the visitors.
So अभी हम कोकोनट फॉरेस्ट में बास्केट बोट राइड के लिए गए and it's a 30 to 40 minutes ride and it takes you through the forest in the center. ये जो हमने टोपी पहनी है वो यही कोकोनट ट्री से बनी हुई है.
Wow.
Coconut.
Coconut.
Yum yum.
Yum yum coconut.
After the ride, we headed to Hoi An's ancient town for food and shopping. Hoi An is famous for tailor-made clothing which can be ready in just 24 hours.
Now we are in Hoi An ancient town and it's really beautiful. So there are no cars here. You can walk or you can do bicycle tours in this area.
The ancient town is beautiful and the boat ride to release lanterns is one of the popular activity you can try.
We are going to Cham Island to do the snorkeling experience. This is a guided tour.
After booking our snorkeling tour to Cham Island, we transfer to a boat to take us there. Cham Island is a group of islands in the South China Sea and is known for water activities like snorkeling and diving. After reaching the main island, we boarded another boat that took us to the other side of the island for our snorkeling trip. One of the PADI instructor told me that the corals in Vietnam are stunning though the marine life is limited, and my experience of Cham Island confirmed this. The corals were lovely during the snorkeling experience, but I barely saw any marine life. We just came from Cham Island and the ride back was amazing because the weather is changing. It's cloudy, it's windy, the waves were strong, so the whole ride was a very bumpy ride. This was a half-day experience where we did snorkeling and we enjoyed the Cham Island. Now we are going back to our hotel. A cloudy day was perfect for exploring Da Nang beach and spending more time in water.
What's the experience?
After such a tiring day, all you can wish for is good food and a relaxing massage to ease the day's tiredness. We woke up early the next morning to visit Bana Hills near Da Nang. Located 1500 meters above the sea level, it holds the record for the longest non-stop single-track cable car. Good morning. So today we are exploring Bana Hills. Right now we are taking the cable car to go on top of the hill and then let's go and check out the famous Golden Bridge. You can see behind me, it is very crowded, though it's actually 8 o'clock in the morning, but you can see the crowd is still here. The main attraction of Bana Hill is the Golden Bridge, but there is so much more to explore, including areas like French Village, Flower Garden, Lingung Pagodas, and Fantasy Park. We also took the ropeway to head up for a thrilling alpine coast ride. This high-altitude adventure with twist and turn lets you control your speed throughout the ride is a must-ride experience one should have. Sunworld Bana Hill is a full of Instagrammable spot and unique attraction. From medieval fairs to lunar castle, your options are unlimited. Before leaving Da Nang, we enjoyed an electric taxi ride along the coastal road. Arriving in Ho Chi Minh City, our first stop was Ben Thanh Market and Saigon Square for some serious shopping. After Da Nang, we are now in Ho Chi Minh City. The main objective of coming to Ho Chi Minh City is only to shop and relax. But we thought, you know what, let's take a tour of Ho Chi Minh City as well. So we are not doing any walking tours because we are short on time. We just came to Ho Chi Minh City Post Office, and just opposite that is Notre Dame. Saigon Post Office, built during the 19th century with a mix of neoclassical European and Asian architecture. It is free to visit and many tourists write letter here for a nostalgia touch in the digital age. हमने सोचा था हम थोड़ा वॉकिंग टूर करेंगे पर ज़्यादा बारिश आ गई है. So now we are going to just drive around Ho Chi Minh City in this electric car. Though we stayed only for a day, Ho Chi Minh City offers endless shopping by the day and parties by the night. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe for your weekly dose of e-travel fun.